And we need to ram it home to Oxford University and everyone protecting them that we are not going anywhere. No. That this campaign will go on and on until Oxford University stop abusing animals, until vivisection at this university is consigned to the history books where it belongs. Yeah.
The first example of the UK's independent judiciary was the outcome of the contempt of court case brought against the founders of Speak, Mel Broughton and Robert Cogswell. Oxford University had brought contempt proceedings against the Speak founders because the Speak campaign had gone public with the name of the builder of the Oxford laboratory. At the time, this was not unlawful. Nevertheless, Oxford University's solicitors, who were unbelievably being paid for by the British government, still relentlessly pursued the Speak founders. In the High Court, the judge dismissed the case against the Speak founders on February the 1st, 2007. Pitched against Speak are Oxford University, the UK government and all the institutions the UK government controls. However, thank goodness the government doesn't control the judiciary. Thus, Oxford University and the British government couldn't imprison the Speak 2. The second example of Britain's independent judiciary was seen in May 2007. As mentioned previously, 16 Speak supporters had been arrested in June 2006 on charges of breaching sections 12 and 14 of the Public Order Act at Oxford University's Encaenia ceremony. In the court case, the judge described the evidence of several police officers as inconceivable and unreliable. Judge Justice Wright found all defendants not guilty of charges of breaching sections 12 and 14 of the Public Order Act. The judgment ran to 43 pages. Judge Justice Wright found that the application of the sections had been unlawful, and she was highly critical of the police, saying that they had only paid lip service to facilitating legal protest. Much of the damning evidence against the police came from the police themselves, because they had inadvertently left a dictaphone tape running after the arrests. Fortunately, the dictaphone tape was made available to Speak defence lawyers. On the tape, the police could be heard talking about manufacturing situations to gain evidence to tighten up the terms of the High Court injunction, such as inciting members of the public to make complaints. Senior police officers, such as a chief inspector and a superintendent, could clearly be heard saying, "Now we have to prosecute the shit out of them." It was clearly evident that the police have a desire to please Oxford University and to help them with their injunction. The British police force, like the judiciary, is meant to be independent and non-biased. However, it is clear to see that we are witnessing the politicalisation of the police force. Their role should be to protect the public impartially, but the reality is the British police force are acting prejudicially.